When comparing Sage 50 Cloud versus Sage Business Cloud, it's crucial to understand which software is more feature-rich for SMBs like yours. With both offering essential tools for small and medium-sized businesses, you may be wondering which one provides the most value for your needs. Stick around until the end because I'll also reveal a better alternative that could actually save you time and money. First off, Sage 50 Cloud is widely known for its desktop-based system that's connected to the cloud. It provides excellent accounting features such as cash flow management, inventory tracking, and payroll management. However, the desktop aspect can sometimes be a bit limiting compared to fully cloud-based solutions, especially for businesses that need more flexibility and remote access. So, if you're looking for something that operates both offline and online, this could be your choice. Next thing to consider, Sage Business Cloud, on the other hand, is a fully cloud-based solution. It's great for businesses that need to access their accounts from anywhere at any time. It offers seamless integration with other Sage tools and third-party apps, which can be very helpful if you're running a business with a variety of systems in place. However, this flexibility comes at a cost, and you may find the pricing to be a bit steep if you're just getting started. When it comes to features, Sage 50 Cloud excels in its detailed accounting tools, offering powerful financial management, job costing, and reporting. But the downside is that some of these tools can get a bit overwhelming for beginners, and you might need some training to use them effectively. On the flip side, Sage Business Cloud aims to simplify its features for SMBs with user-friendly dashboards and less complex reporting tools. This can be a great advantage for businesses that want to get up and running quickly without a steep learning curve. But the trade-off here is that you might not have access to as detailed or customizable reports as you would with Sage 50 Cloud. The next thing to discuss is customer support. With Sage 50 Cloud, you get access to their support team via phone, chat, and email, but many users have mentioned that response times can vary, and the quality of support isn't always consistent. Sage Business Cloud, however, offers more self-help resources like videos and tutorials, but if you want one-on-one assistance, it's generally considered to be a bit lacking compared to other cloud accounting tools. The fourth thing is pricing. Sage 50 Cloud has a more traditional pricing model, offering various tiers based on the features you need. It can be a bit expensive, but if your business relies on in-depth accounting, it might be worth the investment. Sage Business Cloud has a more flexible subscription model, which can make it more affordable for smaller businesses or those who need only basic functionalities. Now, here's the catch. While both Sage 50 Cloud and Sage Business Cloud provide valuable features, they might not offer everything you need, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one, intuitive system for managing your business processes. After trying both, I'd recommend considering an alternative that's simpler, more affordable, and comes with a better user experience for SMBs. If you're looking for a solution that can manage your accounting, customer relationships, appointments, and invoicing all in one place, I've found something that really stands out. Through the link in the description, you can take advantage of the best free trial and exclusive benefits just for our viewers. This tool outperforms Sage 50 Cloud and Sage Business Cloud in terms of usability, customer support, and overall features tailored to small businesses. Don't miss out on that offer. It's the best alternative you'll find today. So, while Sage 50 Cloud and Sage Business Cloud are solid options, you might want to explore something that can give you more bang for your buck, and that's what I've linked in the description. Be sure to check it out.